In this video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to check your PC's system information. But instead of repeating the same thing, each method will uncover different hidden details about your computer. Before we dive into each method individually, I want to show you a shortcut that lets you see everything at once. I created a simple tool called Ultimate PC Info Checker. It gathers all the essential details about your system in one place. Instead of opening multiple windows, you can scroll through a single menu, select Run All Checks, and instantly get a complete snapshot of your PC. Click the link pinned in the comment section to get the tool. With that overview done, let's move into the first method to check your PC system information. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type MS-Info32 and press Enter. The system information window will appear. System summary will be your default view. Here, you'll be able to see your OS name and version, which shows if you are on a Windows 10 or 11, which includes your build number, system manufacturer, and model, which is helpful if you are buying a used laptop or troubleshooting. Processor, which is the exact CPU model, cores, and clock speed. BIOS version and date, which is useful for checking if BIOS is outdated. Installed physical RAM, which shows the total installed RAM. This overview is what most people need to know about their PC. The limitations is it does not clearly show your GPU specs, and it does not show your Windows product key. The second method is the DirectX Diagnostic Tool, which is designed to test and display details about graphics, sound, and input devices. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type dxdiag and press Enter. The DirectX Diagnostic Tool window will appear. System tab will be your default view. The additional information you will see is the DirectX version, which is very important for gamers, and also the page file usage, which is extra details not easily found elsewhere. On the Display tab, you would find your integrated graphics card name and manufacturer, your display memory, which is something that the MS-Info32 doesn't show, driver version and date, which is useful to check if your GPU drivers are outdated, and the direct 3D in feature levels, which shows if your GPU supports certain gaming technologies. This is the main reason people use the diagnostic tool, which is to check GPU performance and driver health. On the next tab, you would find your dedicated GPU, which contains a similar information of your integrated graphics. The next tab is the Sound tab, which lists installed audio devices. It shows driver versions, which is good for troubleshooting sound issues in games. And on the Input tab, it detects peripherals, which is rarely used but handy for diagnosing controller and gamepad problems. The limitation is it doesn't show your motherboard model or detailed CPU specs. That is why the MS-Info32 is still needed. And on the third method, you will be using the Windows Management Instrumentation command line, which lets you pull deep system level information directly from Windows. Right-click the Start menu and select Terminal Administrator or PowerShell Admin. To reveal your Windows product key, type get WMIC object. Query. Select from software licensing service. OA3X original product key. This will display the original product key stored in BIOS. It is useful if you are reinstalling Windows and need your license. This information is not shown in the MS-Info32 or DX Diagnostic Tool. To check installed hotfixes, which is for security checks, type get hotfix. This command will help you confirm that your PC has the latest security patches, which is important to keep your computer secured. And that's how you check your PC's system information using standard methods. But with my Ultimate PC Info Checker, you get so much more. Not only does it show CPU, RAM, GPU, drives, and motherboard information, it also reveals both your BIOS stored and registry stored Windows keys, battery health details, network settings, installed updates, and all input and output devices, all in one place. Click the download link pinned in the comment section to get it now.